Hey everyone, welcome to JTechSolve. Today we are diving into one of the most useful tools in Linux, the top command. Whether you are troubleshooting a slow system or just curious about what's running, top is your go-to. In this video, we'll break it down step by step. Please stick around. So, what is top? It's built-in Linux tool that gives you a real-time view of your system's performance. Think of it like a task manager on Windows or activity monitor on macOS, but it's in terminal. It shows CPU usage, memory stats, and every process running on your machine. Using top is super easy. Open your terminal, any Linux distro will do. Just type top, then press enter. Boom, you are in. You will see a live updating screen like this. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first, we'll break it down next. Let's decode what you are seeing. The top part, P1 intended, shows system stats. First, the uptime, how long your system been running. Next, load average, three numbers showing system demand over 1, 5 and 15 minutes. Then tasks, how many processes are running, sleeping or stopped. Below that, CPU usage, percentages for user tasks, system tasks and idle time. And memory, how much RAM and swap space you are using. Finally, the process list. This shows every running process with details like PID, user, CPU and memory usage. Now, top isn't just a viewer, it's interactive too. Want to sort processes by CPU usage? Press Shift plus P. Want to sort processes by memory usage? Press Shift plus M. Need to kill a rogue process? Hit K. Type the PID like 1234 and confirm. To exit, just press Q. That's the top command in a nutshell. Now you can monitor and manage your Linux systems like a pro. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more Linux tips, and let me know in the comments what you want next. See you in the terminal.